So next up we have Magic Move animations on Keynote. So Magic Move has a little bit of a trick to it. I think of all the animation options, it does require a bit of forward planning, because the way it works is one item on your slide will move to a different location on the next or additional slides. So when I'm doing this, I do show a simple example or a couple of simple examples that I have, and then what I do is I get students to plan, because there's no point in putting in an item afterwards if you haven't really planned for it before. So I'm going to show you a quick one. So I'm going to tap plus and use my shapes, and I'm going to go for a circle or multiple circles. So this is a white circle. Okay, I'm going to make it the right size. And then what I'm going to do is I am just going to duplicate my circle. So tap, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste my circle. I'm going to change the color of the circle to blue. I am going to paste it again, change this one to pink. You can probably see where I'm going here. And I am going to paste here to green, and we're going to do one more to yellow. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to tap over here. So just make sure your navigation is turned on. If it's not, always show navigator is useful. So you'll see I'm here, and if I tap, this is slide transition, not an item transition. So you will see item transitions in paths as well. So if I click transition and I want to click add transition, and I want a magic move. Okay, so it's going to, when I tap in here, ask me, do I want to duplicate the slide? And I do. And what that will do is it will just make a copy of my slide for me. So I'm just going to tap on duplicate. And you'll see there's a little yellow triangle appears on the slide. That's an indication of magic move. In this slide, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move all these circles somewhere else on the screen. I can resize them, it doesn't really matter. And I am going to go back to my yellow circle slide, and I'm going to click the play button. And you have to tap, so you have to tap for every magic move, but you'll see they moved. So I tapped on the screen and they moved. What I could do, and I'm going to create a quick scene now, is you can also have items that appear on the outside canvas of your slide, so they can appear here. So if I have these here, what I can actually do is I'm going to just copy this. I'm going to paste this. I'm going to actually move this out. I'm going to move this in. I'm going to move this one out. And then I'm going to transition, magic move again. So another magic move. And then I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to bring all of these back in. So I know there's a couple of blues there. Done. Oops. Done. And done. Done. And done. Is there another shape out there? There isn't. So I'm going to bring this white one forward as well. So I'm just making this into the front. And do I have a magic move transition there? Let me just play it, because I think I accidentally deleted it, but I mightn't have. No, I didn't. So now they come back in. So you can have items that come from the outside in. They don't even have to be displayed on the slide. The key is the item does have to be on the slide for it to move, because it doesn't really work otherwise. So one option that I could also have is if I click, and this is the one I always use in class, a car. So we're going to give this yellow car. The car can be here, and transition magic move, and click duplicate, and on my second slide I will move it across the screen, go back to my first slide. So this navigation is really important, and click on play. and my car should drive. So Magic Move has a lot of potential, and it is one of the types of animations that you can do. Just to remember that it is a slide animation, not an object animation. So it is an animation that you add to the individual slides.